I bet. No, sorry guys. 20 times Pachinko!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$1,900 winners. Thank you. Papa bless. You look amazing in a tuxedo, Alice. Is orange my color though? I'm not sure, but it is my favorite. Alright guys, thank you. Starting a new one. Giddy up! Giddy up, boy! Crazy time 2x. Oh. 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 2x top slot. Crazy time. Well, okay. I wish you good luck. Come on, let's go. There's that crazy time. Who's still with me? Let's do this. Crazy time, 2x, top slot. So we double all the multipliers on the wheel. Get up, boy. Ladies and gentlemen, you stand in front of a decision. In front of 3 arrows, green, blue, yellow. Please choose your destiny. Green? Okay, Nell. I trust you, Nell. I go green. 200 max. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Grr, grr. Anita? Anita Max, win. Anita double on the green. Okay, blue 20x, yellow 50x, green spins again. Green got a double. Oh my, okay. Green gang, 400x max. Let's go. Looks like I made the right move, Nell. The right move to trust you. Oh yeah, 200x on the green flapper. Good job, people.
This is the amount of money issued 318,529 euros.
Yeah, no, good call. 200x green, 6,850 winners. Ooh, nice call. Thank you guys, enjoy your wins. My man.
4,902 lucky winners, ML Moneymaker Guan. You know, top 3 winners, betting time is all yours, and let's go. You picked the top left as well, Dalu? Hey, we got it, man. Can you believe it? This is the first time I'm guessing the 100x. First time, guys. All right. Let's go. Let's continue this way. And crazy time now as a 5x, man. Back-to-back bonus games. That would be really, really nice. Check this one out, everybody. Crazy time. 5 rounds, 4 bonus games, 2 of them with top slots. This on 5x on crazy time. Cannot wait. That's right, everybody. Get those multipliers on the wheel, please. Beautiful. But that's not it, everybody. 5x everything. 5x everything. We have those doubles on the wheel too, by the way. All right. Now you have your decision time. Green, blue, or yellow. Pick one of these. I believe the excitement and intrigue is hitting the high notes now. But hey, the biggest multiplier on the wheel we can cash in on at the moment is 500x. Good luck to you guys. All right, that's the game, everybody.
This is the amount of money issued 1,035,695 euros.
3,932 players getting a 250x, 5,780 winners in total. Congratulations, everybody. Let's go. All we need is Pachinko, everybody. Paul and DM, you're the top 3 winners. Betting time is open, and I don't understand why casinos start writing the names of the game in the lobbies, man. A lot of you, I know, guys, it's frustrating for you too, more than me, because you walk into a game, you're like, what game is this? What is this? Instead of asking, first try to look at the game itself, right? 15x on Cash Hunt. All right. This could come in handy right here. That would be pretty nice. And guess what, everybody? It's going to be a Cash Hunt with really juicy TOPSLOT multiplier attached to it. Being 15x, everybody. Feels good, everybody. Check this out. Check this one out. All right, 100x right here. Have 50s, 25s, but guess what? 15x. We have 1,500 right here. Everything is orange, gold, beautiful, everybody. 750. Jeez Louise. All right. This one's juicy, guys. 1,500x on the board. One shot, one opportunity, everybody. Boom. Decision time is all yours, everybody. We have that 1,500x hiding somewhere here. 750s, man. Ooh, this one's a good one, guys. Wish you nothing but the best of luck. And I know for a fact you won that 1,500x right here. And we have it. I'm going to venture a guess. I'm going to pick this cactus right here. That's going to be my pick. I got him 150, but hey, 750 there, 1,500 right there. Beautiful board right here, man. 5,850.
This is the amount of money issued, 798,479 euros.
Talking about, everybody. That's what I'm telling you about the TOPSLOT. Huge difference maker, everybody. How can you get a 10x crazy hour if we had a 15x TOPSLOT? Crazy how pro.
Thank you for playing. New round is started, guys. Get your bets ready. Choose your placement of value. And good luck to everybody. Get ready. Choose your placement. And newcomers, welcome to Crazy Time. My name's Robbie. Thank you for joining us. Let's get you some cash hunts. Pachinko's Crazy Times as well. And of course, we need a better coin flip. Oh, cash on 20x, you guys. Look at that. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my. No, come on! Woo! Yes! Yes! You guys, we did it! Yes! We did it! Yeah! Come on, baby. Give us those hundreds up in here. Oh, bro. Oh. Well, guess what? Bibbidi bobbidi boos, get some juicy multis for you. We got a 2,000x there, by the way, guys. And a lot of different other good stuff. Oh, it's okay. We got some 500x's there. We got some 1,000x's there and 2,000x as well, of course. So, best of luck to you guys. Let's go. Decision time, guys. This is a serious one, all right? I'm gonna go with my Robbie strategy. You don't have to follow that, okay? I'm just doing it for myself, you know, so. Closest bunny, that's my pick. Good luck to you guys. Let's get the 2,000. Wow, look at this board. Damn, congratulations, everybody. Amazing. 11 players did get a 2,000.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,339,544 euros.
Well done. New round has started. I mean, 500x is still so good. So good, guys. 1,000x. Tell me what you got in the chat, guys. Wow.
That's one. May Bozzy Codeman top 7,665 winning for the softener. Let's spin it again. Enjoy, guys. All the hands that touch that. Ew. Well, that's why I'm not pressing the button with my tongue when people are asking me to do that. Good luck, everybody. I'm disappointed a bit.
No, sorry, guys. 20 times Pachinko on the TOPSLOT. Can we get that?
I don't hear you. Can we get that? Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. One more, one more. Woo! We got it! No way! 20x Pachinko! Such a cherry on the top. Oh my goodness. This is my highest ever Pachinko that I have ever gotten from the TOPSLOT, just saying. Finally, starting out with a 5x is gonna be so big. Do you see this? 40 doubles, oh my. How much is that gonna be? A lot. Yeah, let's just go up, okay? So many triple-digit number opportunities. I can't believe this. 800x is the highest multiplier. Let's get it. Maybe a double? In the end, 140x, and that is still really great. Crazy. But yeah.
This is the amount of money issued 796,603 euros.
Anyways, see you around. Bye.
Enjoy me. Wow. 140x Pachinko. That was such a nice gift from Emmy, ladies and gentlemen. No more but thank you. Wow. Enjoy. You did a great job. Good luck, everybody.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 1,592 of you have won in this one. Congratulations. Come on now, let's keep moving. Wish you all the best of luck. That's a close, everybody. Let's do this. I really believe that we're going to catch something good. We have 4x in Craze down. Now TOPSLOT gives us a sell, so come on now. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Please. Yes, crazy time with 4x on top of it. Let's go. I don't know if you're ready, but I'm excited. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go, buddy! I'm ready to see what the wheel is gonna give us. Come on now. Do you see what I see? I see the word triple. Alright, by the way, don't forget, multiply everything by 4. Ooh, look at that explosion. So it's time for you to choose your flappers. Green, blue, or yellow. Which one are you choosing? Which one is going to be the best one for you? Go ahead, choose. And let's see what we're going to have. So the max multiplier, as I believe, is 800x for us. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's try our luck. Good luck! Woo! $60, $100, and $200.
This is the amount of money issued 110,415 euros.
Hello there. So 2,688 of you have won in this round. Congratulations. Come on, everybody. Let's keep moving.
It's my first time seeing you hosting. Oh, Diesel. Welcome to my playground. How you doing? Race Trader, come on. We don't do love here. We only do pleasure. No love, only pleasure. Cash on, by the way, 15x. I want it. Again, guys, no love, just pleasure. You know? Mommy don't know daddy's getting hot in a body shop, doing something unholy. Yes! Yes! I beat it! Ow, my throat hurts and I'm still screaming! Yeah! Welcome to Cash Hunt. I beat it! I beat it! On the last 5 minutes, of the night. I mean, best of luck. Look at that. We have quite a few stuff here. Biggest one is 1,500x. Ha! Race again. We don't do love, only pleasure. Only pleasure, baby. I got excited. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. I wonder where's the 1,500, guys. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. Hello, Ansari. Pleasure you. Wait, where is it? It's all yellow. It's really hard to see. I don't see it.
This is the amount of money issued 258,275 euros.
20,000 top winner. CT Shiv, nice. So, let's see what's next. I beat it! Really, baby? Only 150? I mean, still good, but like...